Welcome back, my dear students, please. Today I am going to start the class 8 mathematics and topics is geometry chapter. And next, look at the slide, please. And angles. The amount of the rotation of two lines is called angles. And figures angle AOB, angle AOB, OA is arms, OB also arms, and O is the vertex here. In the figure, OA and OB from the angles AOB written as angles AOB. It written as angle AOB, angle AOB or angle BOA. And OA and OB are called arms of the angles and O is called its vertex. Now here PQR and QR is arms, it is arms, and vertex is Q. Q is the vertex and PQ and QR is arms. It is called arms and it is vertex, and its name of angle is angle PQR or angle RQP. Vertex is always middle part. Angle RQP. Next slide, please. Parallel lines. Parallel lines. If the two line does not intersect to each other, two lines are said to be parallel if they are product, then they have no points common. The distance between two parallel lines always remain the same. In the figure, AB and PQ are parallel. AB and PQ does not intersect to each other. AB and PQ does not intersect to each other, and its height is always equal in everywhere. That's it is always equal distance. AB and PQ distance between the anywhere is equal. So it is parallel line. So it can be written as AB parallel PQ, AB parallel PQ. Next one, please. It is XY now here XY and AB also parallel to each other. So we can be written as XY, it is the symbol of parallel, XY parallel AB. It is parallel. They are not intersect to each other. If you produce to XY in and AB also produce, they are not intersect to each other. It goes to state and it is also be state, and its distance is always equal in everywhere. Two lines are said to be parallel if they are product, then they have no point commons. The distance between the two parallel lines always remain the same. In the figures, AB and PQ are parallel lines. Next, adjacent angle. Adjacent angles. Now here two angles in planes are said to be adjacent angle if they have common vertex, common arms, they are in the opposite side of the common arms. Here are three angles. Here are three angles. Look at the pictures please. B, O, A and here C. Now here how many angles are here? One is angle BOC and next one is COA and one is BOA. They have a common vertex is O. Look at the whiteboard please everybody students. And O is the common vertex and OC is common arms. OC is common arms. OC is common arms and O is the common vertex. Here are three angles, angles BOC, COA and BOA. And now here angle COA, COA and BOA, they have not a common arms. They have not a common arms. That's BOA and COA, they have not a common arms. But BOC and COA, but two angles, it has common arms is OC. BOC and another angle is COA. OC and CO that are common arms. OC is the common arms. That's two angles are adjacent angles. Angle BOC and AOC are adjacent angles because they have a common arms OC and common vertex is O. That's are called adjacent angle. AOC and BOA is not a adjacent angle. Or BOC and angle BOA, they are not adjacent angle because they have not a common arms. BOC, BOA, that is not adjacent angle. Everybody clear? Once more please. A, B, C, now it is P. Its angles are adjacent angle because now here common vertex is B and common arms is BP. Angle ABP and PBC. Now here BP is the common arm. So those are called adjacent angle. Listen please everybody students, angle ABC, that's big angles, and angle PBC, they have not a common arms because ABC, one is PBC, they have not a common arms. So it is not a adjacent angle, it is adjacent angle. Clear everybody? And next please. Yes, vertical opposite angle VOA. AOB Now here C and D. When a two line intersect by another line, the pairs of non-adjacent angles are called the vertical opposite angles. Are called the vertical opposite angles. In figures, look at here please, in whiteboard. AOD and DOB, that's are adjacent angle, because it has OD is the common arms. They are not adjacent angles, means AOD, another COD. AOD, COB, that's only common vertex but not common arms. It has not a common arm, so it is vertical opposite angle. Angle AOD and next COB, BOC or COB, those are vertical opposite angles. It is VOA. It is called vertical opposite angle. They are not adjacent angles. It is called vertical opposite angle. Vertical opposite angles are always equal. And next also please, AOC angle AOC and BOD also VOA. It is also vertical opposite angle. It is also vertical opposite angles. This and this and this one are vertical opposite angle. Vertical opposite angles are always equal. Can you say everybody which are the vertical opposite angles? Can you say? One is PXB and another is AXQ. And another pairs, can you say please? Can you guess? Yes. Next is PXA and BXQ. BXQ is the vertical opposite angles. And next please, next slide, complementary angles. Complementary angles, the adjacent angles which sum is 90 degree. The sum of two angles is 90 degree. Two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their angles is 90 degree. Look at the pictures please. Look at the pictures in a whiteboard. Yes, please. Angle BOC plus angle COA, its sum will be 90 degree. Suppose BOC is 30 degree and its angle is 60 degree. What will be sum? Its sum will be 90 degree. The two angles are said to be complementary if their sum will be 90 degree. It is called complementary angles. Once more, next please, P, Q, R. Now here X, suppose its angle is 40 degree and it is 50 degree, whole sum will be 90 degree. The angles the two angles sum will be 90 degree is called complementary angles. Clear everybody? Angles PQX plus angle XQR will be 90 degree. Next slide please. Yes. Last is supplementary angle. The two angles are said to be supplementary. Two angles are said to be supplementary angles if the sum of their angle is 180 degree. In figure B, O, A, now here see, look at the pictures please in a whiteboard. Suppose its angle is 50 degree suppose, and its angle is 130 degree. What will be sum total? Total is 180 degree. Angle BOC is suppose 130 degree and COA is 50 degree. Its sum will be 180 degree. So those are supplementary angle. The two angles are said to be supplementary angles if the sum of their angles is 180 degree. That is called supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, the sum of two angles will be 180 degree, or 90 and 90, that will be 180 degree, and it is also supplementary angles. Clear everybody? Please once times slide. First is angles. Angles AOB is the angles. The amount of rotational of two lines is called angles, and next parallel line, and next is adjacent angles, and next vertical opposite angle. One is complementary, and last is supplementary. My dear students, please, there are 6 angles: parallels, vertical opposite angles, and adjacent angle, and complementary and supplementary. Please, only readings are homeworks. My dear students, my time is over. So today only this much.